everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to customize your GitHub profile. As you can see, this is my GitHub profile that I customized, but I'm actually going to be redoing mine. So you guys just saw the previous GitHub profile, and this is what the final version is actually going to look like. This is the light theme, and this is how it looks in the dark theme. So let's get started. So as you all can see, I already have a GitHub profile. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be deleting this, and then we can do it together from scratch. Danger zone. So as you all can see, the repository has been deleted. So now I'm going to create a new repository. So first thing you want to do is log into your GitHub account and then create a new repository. This is the most important part right here. The name of the repository has to be the same name as your username. So for example, mine is brendagmichelle with 3. And as you can see here, it says you found a secret. This is a special repository that you can use to add a ReadMe to your GitHub profile. Make sure it's public and initialize it with a ReadMe. And you can write a description, my profile, and then add a ReadMe file, and then you create the repository. So now before we get started, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to upload some files that I personally created. They're just some images of my YouTube videos that I want to add into my profile. So I'm going to be adding these files, and if you want to create your own, I 100% recommend canva.com, and you can create different images right there, and they have a free account that you can use. Okay, so we have that there. So now you're gonna have go here to edit. So as you can see, once you create this profile, GitHub automatically gives you kind of like a template, and you can 100% use this. I used it. So the first thing that I'm actually going to be adding is going to be the GIF that I created. If you're new to Markdown, there's a Markdown cheat sheet that you guys can use, and it's a GitHub repository, and I will link it down below so you guys can use it, and they pretty much have everything that you would need. So I'm going to be adding the image, and then I'm going to have another section for skills. We're going to do HTML. JavaScript. WordPress. Bootstrap. I'm just going to leave it at that, and then I might add some later. So I'm actually going to keep some of these, and I'm going to check what did I use previously. I'm currently working on becoming a full stack developer. And then fun fact, I like to read, travel, and I am the worst cook. I really am. So we're gonna commit this, and we're gonna see how this looks. I really don't know how this is gonna look. We're gonna put here first edition. So you all can see what I did here. I'm not sure why the GIF is not working. What did I do wrong? Wow. I didn't put source equals, but everything else looks fine. So now what I wanted to do is actually add a content section. Actually, I wanted to add a contact section. I'm just gonna leave it like that with my website because I think that's pretty straightforward. Now this section, I want to add my content. So I'm gonna be adding my YouTube channel. So another thing that I wanted to add was actually my blog. So I'm just gonna put actually blog posts, and I was thinking I can actually include a link to my blog. So should I put visit blog? Yeah, visit blog. And then this would be a link to my blog. And now here I want to actually include my blog post. So I want to include blog posts, of course, that are actually relevant to coding. Most of my blog posts are, but so I'm gonna paste the link here, and then here what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to put the title of the blog post. So how I learned to code for free. So I'm pretty much just gonna repeat this step and add the next 2 or 3 blog posts. So as you all can see, all I did was I added three new blog posts. And actually another thing that I want to add here is I'm going to put visit my YouTube channel, and I will add a link to my channel. So okay, so you can see the GIF now. Finally you can see my name. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep that. I'm probably gonna delete this because it's repetitive with my image. And you can see my website. So now we need to customize this a little bit. Okay, so I actually went back and I just edited a little bit. So I changed the width here of my GIF, and then I added get to know me H2, and then I also added some breaks in order to add some space in between. So I added some breaks here, I added some breaks here, and some breaks there. And I also changed the height of the images for my YouTube videos. So now let's see. So now you see how this looks. This is the GIF. Then you have my skills section. Then you have the get to know me. Then you have contacts, so they can go to my website here. And then you have content, and then here is YouTube, visit my YouTube channel, and all of these images are clickable. And then blog post, visit my blog, and then here's a list of some of my blog posts. And now if you go to my profile, then you can see it here. You can definitely make these images bigger. I think smaller is a little bit better. I wouldn't want them to be huge. And if you all didn't know, GitHub also has a dark theme now. So this is how it looks with the dark theme. I think I like it better. I definitely need to change the color of this logo. Okay, so now this is how it looks. So you have the skills section, get to know me, the contact, which is just my website and Twitter, and then content, which is my YouTube channel, and then you have my blog posts, and you can visit my blog. Honestly, I really like it, but another thing that would be fun is if we can add some emojis. Maybe here we can add a laptop, and then here we can just add a bird. I don't know, a Twitter bird. And then here, visit my YouTube channel, we can just add a camera, this one. And then visit my blog post, my blog. I really like the speech bubble. And I think that's gonna be it. I think I'm happy. Final edition. Okay, so this is going to be the final version. So this is how it looks in the dark theme. So you can see the image, skills section, get to know me, contact, content, and this is how it looks in the light one. I hope you all found this video useful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on social media, and I will link all of the resources that I used in the description, so you guys can check them out. And don't forget to give this video a like, please, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.